Okay, so
This is a Stonebridge automatic lantern that was used by packers. My grandfather Davis, who lived in the Whitefish area, used it camping into Glacier Park all the time. He was a camper, a horse packer up there. And it folds up into a neat little pack. I can show you how that works so that you can, but anyway, that's a really stout one because my house burned down at Bearmouth, Montana in probably 1970. No, 1971, I think. And this survived. This is the only thing that survived the fire. And I had a tobacco can with $800 in $100 bills in it. That didn't survive, but this did, and it's my grandfather's lantern. Isn't that something?
that's cool. So how come this glass survived?
It's mica. They called it isinglass.
So, and where does mica come from?
Mica is a mineral.
Oh, yeah.
And it comes off in sheets when you find it, so it's not, it won't burn. And that's why they used it in this. And then it's got a reflector in the back so that it makes the light a little more powerful, but it's only for candles, but it makes them last a lot longer than a normal candle. And it's safer. You can hang it up in a tent. That's what he used to do. And it's dated 1904. Patent date. Stonebridge automatic folding lantern. Isn't that swell?
That's cool. Yeah. And there you have it.
Yep.